if you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you. So make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I'll be showing you part 2 ng aking Davao Streetwear Brands haul and review. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung part 1 ng video ko na to, I will place it up here in the cards. You can check them out. Sobrang bait ng mga owners ng mga brands na ipapakita ko today kasi lahat ng mga in-order ko sa kanila, sila mismo ang nag-deliver sa akin. So, thumbs up to you guys. Sobrang passionate and ang galing nyo. So, let's start with our first Davao Streetwear brand. So, ang unang Davao Streetwear brand na ipapakita ko today sa inyo is DAILYSCRAPE. So, I asked them for a short description of their brand, and this is what they sent me. DAILYSCRAPE is a brand that defines the fashion culture lifestyle of the street. Also showcase the lowered scene, build different style dedicated for the culture. Since 2019, 0% lock, 100% strategy, serve you better all day, every day. Keep the scene up. Galing naman. So now, I will be showing you their Facebook and Instagram page. So ito ang kanilang Facebook page, DAILYSCRAPE. Dami na rin nila likes. And ito ang size chart nila, oh. If you guys want to buy from them, you should check out their size chart. And ito yung mga photos ng mga people who wear their products. Oh, ang ganda na itong tie-dye na shirt nila, oh. 750 pesos. Oh, ito actually yung shirt na i-review ko sa inyo mamaya. This is the Lucky Cat, 650 pesos. Now, let's go to their Instagram page. Daily_scrape. Ganda talaga nitong tie-dye nila na shirt. Oh, ang cute sa kanya, oh. And actually, ganda rin ito na shirt. Really nice. Oh, ganda nito, oh. Still available. Few stocks left. Alright, so that's their Instagram and Facebook page. Now, I will be reviewing their product. Shout out to Sir Christian for personally delivering this to me. This is the package of DAILYSCRAPE with their sticker right here. Now, let's open the package.
Excited na ako.
So here, as you can see, this is their product. Nicely packed. Oh, ang daming stickers. Diyan na naman tayo, Dani, sa stickers. Oh, ang cute nitong Tom na DAILYSCRAPE sticker. Ganda. And then their logo stickers as well. DAILYSCRAPE. Sobrang cute. Now, let's check out the shirt. Dito pa lang, nafe-feel ko na ang ganda ng tela. So, there guys. This is their shirt. I got a size XXL and they have their print here. And that's not it. There's also at the back. Sobrang cute ng design, no? I love it. Ang ganda ng pagka-blue nito. Parang royal blue yung ano niya. Ang nakalagay dito is, being lucky takes hard work. That's true. Oh, and then they have their small logo here on the bowl. And here rin, oh. Ang ganda. The neckline is nice. Hindi mainit yung tela. Alright, so there. Now, let's go to our second Davao Streetwear brand, to Die For Davao. So I asked also for a short description of the brand from the owner, and he sent me this. To Die For Davao was established when the pandemic started. My sister was the one who introduced me to tie-dye. We tried to dye some of our old shirts, socks, etc. and posted it on our Instagram and Facebook stories afterwards. And a lot of my friends were asking and messaging me if I was gonna sell the shirts. That's where I started to make a business account for my tie-dye business, and the rest was history. Galing naman, nakakatuwa yung mga nakastart na mga businesses noong pandemic kasi they really used their time and made it more productive for them as well. So, hats off to you guys. Shout out to the owner of Die For Davao, Alfonso. What's up? Thank you for personally delivering the package as well that I will be reviewing later. So now I will be showing you Die For Davao's Facebook and Instagram page. So this is their Facebook page. Oh, ang ganda ng mga bagong design nila, oh. So nice. Oh, this one is vibes. Super summer vibes. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh, meron na rin mga TikTokers who wear their shirts. And, ooh, they also tie-dyed Vans. Ang ganda, very
galactic ang feels.
you know what I mean? Oh, I like this one. Actually, ito yata ang kinuha ko na design sa kanila. I'll be reviewing it after this. So now let's check out their Instagram page. To Die For _Davao. Keep calm and wear tie-dye. Nice. Oh, and they also ship nationwide. So, kahit hindi kayo from Davao, lahat actually namang brands na ipapakita ko ngayon, you can order it even if you're from Manila. Just message them lang. Oh, ito, nag-tie-dye sila ng champion na shirt. Nice. And they also tie-dye shorts and socks as well. And hoodies. So now, I'll be reviewing their product. Here's the package. As you can see, nakalagay yung name ko dito, Dani. And then they have their socials and where you can contact them as well over here. So now, let's open the package. Ooh, really nice. Perfect for summer ito. So there, this is the shirt I got from To Die For Davao. Sobrang ganda nung how they tie-dyed it. This is the back. I got a size XL, if you guys are wondering, para alam niyo yung size nyo. I will also show a video of me wearing it, so you can check out the fit on me. Sobrang vibes. I love it so much. Thank you guys. And last but not least, the third Davao streetwear brand that I will be showing you today is STAYAHEAD. And this is their short description of their brand. A local lifestyle brand since 2010, STAYAHEAD fosters local culture and lifestyle with the aim of bringing people into supporting everything local. Being well-rooted to our advocacy, STAYAHEAD puts forward people into Davao's progressive music, art, action sports, and street culture. We are local, we are STAYAHEAD. Ang ganda ng description nila. I feel you guys. And shout out rin pala to Chunks for personally delivering my order also. Thanks, bro. And now, I will be showing you their Facebook and Instagram page. So, this is their Facebook page. STAYAHEAD. Wow, ang dami nilang likes. Ooh, this copyright tee is so nice. Local and proud. Ganda nung details. Ooh, they also have yung key keeper nila and it comes in 2 colors, olive and forest. Ganda ng mga small details na nilalagay nila sa mga products nila. Galing nito, mga bikers. Oh, and they also have a bucket hat. I will also be reviewing this later after I show you their Facebook and Instagram page. Ganda. Ooh, galing. Kakatuwa. They also have yung parang pouch. Ganda rin yung pouch nila. Really nice. Ooh, this is the shirt that I will be reviewing. It is a STAYAHEAD and Over collab. Galing nung collection na yung sobrang ganda. So now, I'll be showing you their Instagram page. STAYAHEAD PH. Dami na rin ng followers. Ayan yung mga key keepers. Ganda nung feed nila. Cute nung mga socks or caps. Decade and 20. Nice. This tattoo is sick. So cool. Ang ganda. So there, that's their Instagram page. Now, I will be reviewing their products. Excited na ako. I will be starting it with the key keeper. Sobrang ganda nung details nung key keeper nila. So nice. And then, it is Velcro. So madali lang siya ilagay sa mga bags nyo. And nakalagay dito is, push the passion, strengthen the support, local and proud. Ang ganda ng branding nila. I love it. Madali lang siya i-hook sa keys nyo, on your bags. Really nice. This is a must-have. Maganda to kung nag-travel kayo or kung on the go kayo, madali lang mahanap yung mga susi nyo. You can also put it sa shorts nyo and then put your car keys as well. So there, this is the first product. Second product that I will show you is their pouch. Oh, nakalagay pala dito sa side is local and proud. Lalapit ako para makita nyo. Yan o, local, tapos proud. I love it. You can put your coins here, your lipstick. Ganda, ang ganda ng quality ng pouch. Very soft and their branding is right here. Nakalagay is a local brand established 2010, Davao, Philippines. Thank you. STAYAHEAD for this. Next, I will show you. Ang ganda ng bucket. Come! Lalapit ako para makita nyo. So there, ang ganda ng print, tsaka ang quality. I like yung ginamit nila na materials for this kasi parang waterproof siya. So kung uulan, you have no problem. Ang ganda ng hat. And let's check out the details. Ang nakalagay is Decade in 20. Ang ganda ng stitching nila sa front. I'm gonna wear this while I'm reviewing the shirt. So now, let's get to the shirt. Ganda ng packaging nila. Now, let's open. Let's start with the stickers, of course. Kung meron pa sila yung invoice. Street by Dani. We appreciate the love and support. Push the passion, strengthen the support. Thank you. Thank you. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila. Branding nila. Oh. Tapos kahit yung sticker nila, may nakalagay stand out, be seen. Reflective die cut stickers. Wow, reflective siya. Lagay sa car, pwede. And then we have here more stickers. Okay, fast forward the video. Alright, so I will now show you the stickers. We have this. Ang galing nakawas. Stay ahead sticker. Tapos ano, parang vaccine yata to. Galing. Cute yung mga stickers. And then I have this yung parang samurai sword na sticker. Turf stickers. So cute. Ganda. Now guys, ito na hinihintay nyo. I will now show you their t-shirt. Oh, by the way, I got a size 2XL para ma-compare nyo kung sakali mag-buy kayo. And I'll be showing you also a video of me wearing it so you can check out the fit. Ang ganda no print. And I like the design ba. Ang galing. So you can see here, they have their branding and the size of the shirt that you'll get. And wait, there's more. Wow! Galing mo, artist. Si Over. Shout out to you, man. Ang galing mo. Ang ganda nung collab nila with Stay Ahead. I love it. So artsy. And the tela. Hindi rin yung mainit na tela. Ang swerte ko talaga sa mga Davao streetwear brands kasi ang ganda ng mga quality nila. And they also have this sa may end ng shirt. Really nice. Ang ganda ng stitching. Ganda rin ng neckline. I really love it. Thank you, Stay Ahead. Good work, guys. And nga pala, hindi ko napakita yung sa loob ng bucket hat para makita niyo yung quality. Ang ganda, oh. Really nice. I can't wait to wear this. Thanks, guys. And that's the end of this video. Salamat kayo to DAILYSCRAPE, to Die For Davao, and Stay Ahead for letting me review and feature you guys here on my channel. If you want to check out their socials, I will link them all below in the description box. And guys, please support local. Kung naapang makailan ng mga Davao streetwear brands na hindi ko pa napakita dito sa channel ko, please comment them down below or message me on my socials at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'll post another video. See you then. Dani out!